From a bedroom comfort perspective, here's what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of tossing and turning on uncomfortable sheets? I've got the solution for you, and it's the Lacoste Slice 100% cotton Percale sheet set. This premium sheet set is a game changer, and I'm excited too. With its vibrant printed designs, it adds a splash of color to any bedroom, easily complementing both modern and classic decor. The sheets are crafted from 100% cotton Percale, delivering a breathable, lightweight feel with a crisp finish that's perfect for a refreshing and comfortable sleep. You'll love the sound of the sheets gently rustling as you slip into bed, and the feel of the cool, airy fabric against your skin. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice. One of the standout features of this sheet set is its durability and long-lasting comfort. The high-quality materials ensure that the sheets maintain their softness, structure, and color even after repeated use and washes. The easy care is also a bonus, as you can simply machine wash them for effortless maintenance. Whether you're looking for a comfortable sleeping solution for the summer or a cozy one for the colder months, this sheet set has got you covered. The all-season comfort it provides is unparalleled, keeping you cool in the summer and comfortable in the winter. With the Lacoste Slice 100% cotton Percale sheet set, you can say goodbye to restless nights and hello to a refreshing and rejuvenating sleep, so why not give it a try and wake up feeling your best? As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.